is a weird rocket right here. I built this from a water jug. Yeah, it'll fly. They all fly. This one is a French sounding rocket. It flew these in, like, you know, the 70s, 60s, 70s, and 80s. I think they stopped flying these in the 80s. But anyway, I just wanted to show you some rockets real quick. These are some big high power rockets. And right here is the batteries. I'm charging up the batteries for the drone right now. What up, folks? KUT here, back with another video. I'm on the floor for this one. Just wanted to show y'all this new item I have right here. Been wanting to get one of these for a little while, so finally made it happen. This is not an unboxing. You already saw the title. You know what it is. So here we have the DJI Mavic Mini. This is a drone, and this is the FIRMWARE combo. It comes with extra batteries. Got all the cables you'll need. This is a little charging station. 3 batteries. There's the drone. It's the Mini. Pretty dope camera. It's not the 4K camera, but it is very good. I checked out some footage and looked at some reviews and stuff. This is a pretty cool one. This is a good drone. It's 249 grams, which you do not have to register with the FAA. Anything above that, you have to register, which I was looking at the Air 2. That's the 4K one, but when you get 4K stuff, I'm just worrying about whether or not my system will be able to handle the editing. Because I have footage that somebody shot for me that's in 4K, and I can't do nothing with it unless I get it converted, but this will do for now. And it comes with the case. This is the FIRMWARE combo, like I said. You can get the version with just the controller, I think 1 battery, and the drone, and maybe these, and a couple blades. There's also extra blades with this too. This don't show everything in the pictures. It has a bunch of other stuff that came with it. So yeah, I got this at Best Buy. Can't wait to fly it and start using it in some videos and see what I'm gonna do. Whenever I do like a film or something, I'll be able to shoot. But I'm just gonna have fun just getting used to it at first, and before I start like really putting like videos out using this drone. Been wanting to get one, so finally happened. I'm super happy. So there we go. So we're gonna open this plastic and take a look and see what we got. Let me see. Across there like that. Like I was saying earlier, if you get a drone that's big and heavy, you have to register with the FAA. I think it costs like $5 or something, but there's some companies out there that's trying to charge people, you know, extra for this and extra for that when it's something you can do on your own. So here we go. We're gonna get started. So here's a little carry case, pretty nice. Got a little handle right there. Zips up. The drone will go inside. Let's take a look and see what's in here. So there we go. We got some stuff here. This is the charger. That feels like the charger right there. The controller. Let's see what we have. Gotta make sure I stay in the camera. Stay in frame. Alright, these are some cables here, a couple cables. Yep, more cables. They come with a few different cables, and these are, I can tell, these are little joysticks. They come with extras for controlling. This is a little screwdriver to add to the, when you got to take the blades off or replace blades, stuff like that. So inside here, these are the extra propeller blades. It comes with extras. So yeah, neat little package. And here is the drone itself. It is a tiny little drone. Like I said, this is one that is out there. It's small, but it's cool. There's the camera. This is the gimbal system, so the camera just stays nice and balanced. I think it's a 3-point gimbal, which is pretty nice. So the blades, the arms are folded under. You unfold these, and it'll be cool. DJI, pretty light, very lightweight. But these are like the ones people are enjoying these from all the reviews I checked. So I'll open this bag up and see what we got here. This is the controller. Yep, so here's the controller right here. You will add the joysticks right there, the control sticks. These are the antennas. These fold out up like that. That's for your cell phone signal. And these, your cell phone attaches, I'm gonna see how to do it. I don't want to break it, break it on camera. But you fold these down and your cell phone mounts to the bottom because you use your screen and use the app to fly to fly this drone. So that's the controller. Pretty cool. It feels really like nice quality. It has like a nice texture to it. So I will check this out a little while later. But cool. Actually, this one goes down and that goes there. Alright, so that's that. Let's see what we got here. This feels like the charging bank. Yeah, this is the charger. And you plug in USB. You can also charge other devices with this. You have the batteries in. And from what I understand, you can plug your cell phone to this and it can charge your cell phone also. So that's the drone, that's that. And inside the box, there's more stuff. Case, let me move this over here. So we have that. These are the batteries. You can tell by how heavy. Let's take a look at the 3 batteries that it comes with. Yeah, so here we have the 3. So here we have the 3 batteries. Like I said, this is the FIRMWARE combo that comes with everything. So here's 1 battery. There's 2 batteries. And 3. So here's the 3 batteries. And in this box, let's see what we have here. Oh, this is the manuals and everything. So these are instruction manuals and everything like that in this box. This packaging reminds me of Apple. Whenever you get an Apple product, you know it comes like similar to this. So 3 batteries. Let me move all this stuff as we. This is the charger. And there should be some cables somewhere around here. Let's overlook them there or something. Oh, they might be in here. Yeah, cables are in here. Screwdriver. Different types of cell phone cables because you know you got Android and you got Apple stuff. USB cables, so I can see what this is. Charger cables. So yeah, this is everything. Everything's here. Extra blades are in this box. It came with 3 sets of extra propeller blades. So there's 3 extra sets of propeller blades. These ones are installed. So pretty cool. This is pretty nice. Pretty nice. So this folds out. This folds down. And down. So there you have it. That is the drone. That's right there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool sunshine in here. So yeah, this is going to be nice. Like I said, it's lightweight, 249 grams. Any heavier, you got to register. And I think with some of the bigger drones, and you also have, when you register with the FAA, you have to let them know if it's recreational or if it's for commercial use, like if you're going to use it to make money. And on the back, you can see a slot here with a SD card. Actually, I have an SD card. You want a high speed. You want a high speed card. Actually, it's the micro card. You want a high speed one. This one I bought is 64 gig, so that'll hold plenty of video footage and still shots. But yeah, this is cool, man. I'm glad to have this. So this is everything that it comes with. Like I said, extra blades, extra joystick, extra control sticks rather. And this folds out. I haven't done it yet. There we go. Okay, so that folds out like that. The controller. And there's sticks here. These sticks, you can pull these off and you will screw them into these units right here. And this is where you'll control. So this is pretty sweet. So there you have it. The Mavic Mini drone seems pretty cool. Can't wait to take it out and fly it. So nice, pretty nice carry case. Pretty durable, pretty tough. Once you get the drone in there, you can put this in a backpack, take it with you, take it on vacation. You know, go film. So yeah, this is pretty cool. And these, oh yeah, the protectors. These must be under here. Let me pull these out. Blade protectors. So here we have the propeller protectors. They're right here in this box. So here's the propeller blade protectors. They're right here. You get 2 of these. I think these are for if you're flying indoors or flying in the house. I guess you can fly it outside also. But, you know, so I'll put these back in the box. I'm gonna get these batteries charged and I'm gonna try this thing out. So there you have it. So 2 batteries are fully charged. This battery, when they're going that fast, that is high-speed charging. This is the cable that came with it. So probably don't use one that didn't come with it unless it's a high-speed cable. And this is a little bit thicker than like some of the other ones I have. So that's what's going on here. So 2 batteries are fully charged, and this one's going to be fully charged soon. As you can see here, I am charging up the controller. It's on fast charging because the lights are moving really quick. It had 2. It will be done once all 4 lights are solid. So as this continues.
You have a sense of speed coming in on entry. The ocean and the clouds were really whizzing by.
Alright y'all, this is another KUT Productionz video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. I bring you a variety of subjects and things like that. Music, art, a little chit chat, drone stuff. Also, I have Model Rockets 321 YouTube channel, where this will probably get a lot of use over there from when I launch rockets and stuff. So stay tuned, y'all. Alright, peace.